This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 26.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 27 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, air conditioning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, slide-out, water heater, awning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 26.1 is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.